Hey guys, so today I am working on a 12 by 16 canvas and I'm going to be doing another infinity pour. I did one before and I put my own little spin on it, and I did a infinity pour with cloud effect. Turned out kind of cool, a little bit different. So today I'm just going to do a regular one. And I'm just gonna jump right in here, and the first color that I'm gonna be using is violet, and that is from the Fine Touch. And then I'm gonna be using some Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And then this color here is phthalo turquoise, and that is also from the Fine Touch. Alright, and then the next cup I am going to be starting with pink, and that is from the Fine Touch also. And then I'm going to be using some quinacridone magenta, and that is from Liquitex Basics. Seems like it's coming out a little thick there. We'll see how that goes. Okay, and then I'm going to put a little bit of white on the top of that. Now I'm not sure if this is going to be enough, but we'll see. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and move these out of the way. And then I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Now last time I was a little uncoordinated, so we will try this again and see if I can get this right here. Okay guys, it's been about 20 minutes. I will take you in for a closer look. I really like how these colors blended. So pretty. I did get a few little cells from when I used my torch, but just look at how pretty those colors are. I really like this. It looks quite interesting. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let it dry, and then I'll be back. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. Take you in for a little closer look. I think this turned out really cool. The colors blended with each other really nice. They're nice and vibrant. I got some really cool movement. I feel like that looks like waves or water. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so there's my infinity pour. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.